Hey guys, welcome to my channel A2. This is Hari before you. In this video, let's see how I'll write my first lines of code in Python. Till now I didn't try it yet. I don't know Python. I'll try it for the first time. I have notes, that is I have a textbook, Think Python, and I'll refer a couple of videos over the internet. Let's try it out. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet now, then please subscribe. Now let me open my Python compiler first. It is taking a bit time. Let it be. I'll maximize it. Now exactly I don't know how it works. I need to know. This is the book I'm using, Think Python. I'll refer this and write my first line. As after referring a couple of videos over internet and my textbook, I learned to write some lines of code. Now I'll show what I learned. As everyone does, I to learn first how to print the values. Print hi, print hello YouTube. Sorry. I learned that we can use both double quotes and single quotes in Python from the internet. I don't know how far it's correct, but it is printing the values. As everyone does, I to learn the mathematical, how to calculate mathematical values. A, for example, A equal to 2, 3, B equal to 4, A plus B, A divided by B. I learned these things, small lines of code, as I'm a starting beginner to Python. And I also learned about how to get the type values. Type 3, it's of class int. Type E, sorry, I made a mistake, I think so again. Type E, struct. Type 3, whenever I use this single quotes, then I'll get a structure, and I don't know why it's when I declare type E, it is not showing as character. If anyone knows, please explain me in the comments, ping me there. Now these are all the things I learned after referring internet. Type hi, I'll check for our MP process what it shows. Oh, it's showing as error. Type spacebar, it's also showing error. Type struct. Yeah, if I use double quotes. Thanks for watching. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe for much and more videos in the future.